Thank you for the opportunity to speak on behalf of the International Pharmaceutical Federation, the global organization representing over 3 million pharmacists. We observe with interest the efforts being devoted to the implementation of the new WHO Health Emergency Program and to the strengthening of the global health emergency workforce. Successful large-scale emergency response requires coordination and involvement of the whole workforce, including pharmacists, so that we can effectively ensure the continuity of care during disasters and guarantee a truly resilient healthcare system. In July 2016, FIP launched the first global guidelines that support continued access to medicines and pharmacy expertise during natural disasters. The document Responding to Disasters, Guidelines for Pharmacy, describes actions under each of the 4 phases of an emergency: prevention or risk mitigation, preparation, readiness, response, and recovery. These actions are listed under different target groups, which comprise government, pharmacy organizations, manufacturers, and distributors, in terms of national implementation, and hospital and community pharmacists in terms of regional and local action. We invite the WHO Euro Secretariat and all member states to consider this document when developing their own health emergency plans. The document is available for free download at fip.org/publication. Thank you.